Okay. Well, the sander is almost 100% done. Got the paper on it. You can see the 100 grits. You can kind of get a little scale there. It's 24 inches across that way. I think this is cool. Kind of the dust collector down here. And then kind of the fully rebuilt table motor. It's got some pretty cool brass hinges on it. And then the silver thing is kind of the electric motor. I'll show you how that works in a second. Kind of the back collar of that, and a little piston that goes up and down the table. Kind of went with a little red scheme here, kind of gray and red to match the rest of my tools. But this is a I don't know if you can see this, a 2 horsepower 3-phase motor. I wired it up to 220. It was 440. And then I ground down this rim here. That was painted, but I kind of like the chrome to match that housing on the table lift. Here's all the electronic gear. I took all those apart, sanded them off, cleaned them up, and repainted them with just gray paint. Here's the forward and reverse for the table, so you can spin it left or right. Then I got the big long metal coil cable going to my outlet over here, where I wired into my phase converter. Kind of goes around the wall there. Ooh, planer. Back over there. See the motor on the floor down there? Then my box. Okay, let me go over there and get the table going. Hold on. Okay, I'm going to try to do this where you can see it. Just cut this little cord right here. Raise it. A little vibration going down. That table in that whole armature there weighs probably 200 pounds, so it goes up a little smoother. But that's that transformer there. So just flip it up to lift it up or down to go down. So there she is, little tour. I don't know if you can see that, but that'll spin for several minutes. Works really good. I need to get a little miter to go in the miter slot to work that. And then my angle's almost perfect, a perfect 90 there. So I can almost use this as a joiner or a saw even. Got 100 grit on there. Okay, there she is, completely rebuilt. The only thing I have left to do is I just got to screw on my little handle here that I've painted red. Kind of see it there. That's to kind of tilt the table. All right, over and out.